Okay, so hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know, napakatagal kong hindi nakapag-upload on with regards on my cyberbacker journey. So, time flies so fast. So, ayun, 1 year na ako. Almost 1 year and 2 months to be exact. And also, there has been so many things going on with my life, kaya hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-upload with cyberbacker, but still I am connected with cyberbacker. So a quick life update with me about cyberbacker is that I am currently working with 2 clients. So last time I was working part-time, so 4 hours ako sa first client ko, and then I got another client. So, another 4 hours. So, I have been working 2 part-times in cyberbacker, and also, I also want to share to you guys that I was promoted on my 8th month, and also right now, I am currently handling 4 amazing cyberbackers. So, guys, pasensya na kayo sa aking face. Medyo basa siya kasi nga katatapos ko lang mag-skincare. But still, I really want to share to you guys how it has been, or how was my year being part of cyberbacker. So, ang una kong gustong i-share sa inyo is kung paano nabago yung lifestyle ko. Kasi, di ba, 1 year, for 1 year, panggabi ako. And, ayun, medyo nasasanay na din yung body clock ko na late or hindi natutulog, or hindi na ako masyadong inaantok pag gabi kahit day off pa yan, kasi para sa akin mas okay na kung ano yung gising or tulog ko pag may pasok ako, ganun na din pag day off, para naman hindi ako mahirapang mag-adjust yung body clock ko. And also tulad ng dati, I am still working while traveling. So pag may mga lakad ako, I just bring my laptop and everything is good na. Basta makapag-login ako and then work, ayun. Kahit saan pa yan, basta may internet tayo. Napakadali ng buhay. Pag work from home ka, kasi you can work anywhere. And also, yung current shift ko is 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So, ayun. And also, medyo naging, syempre, since I have been handling other cyberbackers, naging madalas na rin yung mga meetings ko. So, mas feeling ko, mas nahahasa na yung pagsasalita ko sa English, ganon. Hindi na ako ganon kapangit mag-construct ng mga sentences. Lalo na pag mga mabilis ang conversation na English talaga na diretso. So yun yung isa din sa mga improvement na nakikita ko sa sarili ko. And then now also I move out from my family's place. So also mas naging feeling ko lang and na-realize ko na mas naging healthy yung living natin. Kasi aminin natin, ang mahal mag-healthy living minsan. Kasi, 'di ba, tulad ng mga prutas, hindi naman siya laging available, 'di ba? Pero ngayon, 'di ba, we have funds na, and ayun lang masasabi ko sa salary progression ko about or in relate kay cyberbacker, grabe yung naging impact sa akin, kasi mas natuto akong mag-handle ng finances ko. I actually do the, what do you call this? I actually have this banks na may iba't iba siyang designation kung saan ko siya ilalagay. And also yung mga ganon, I am also thankful to Craig, our CEO, kasi every Friday we have this meeting, and sometimes he facilitated that meeting, and most especially yung mga dinidiscuss niya is how to handle our finances properly. So ayun, ang laki din ng naging pasasalamat ko, kasi nga I attended those meetings kasi sobrang nakakatulong talaga siya. And also, ayun, kahit hindi tayo connected or hindi tayo connected sa government agency, I can still pay my like SSS, Pag-ibig. So those government mandated na mga binabayaran. Okay? And also, ano pa bang maishishare ko sa buhay ko about cyberbacker? Masaya kahit nadagdagan yung workload ko dahil nga I have been a headbacker na. Actually, so nung kailan ba ako naging officially headbacker? Basta ilang months na din, and it was fun. Nagkaroon ako ng handle na naging friend ko talaga. Naging friends kami, nag-share kami ng mga buhay-buhay ganon, and mas nagiging nakikita ko yung need ng tao na magkaroon ng work and life balance. When it say work and life balance, yung nagagawa mo pa rin yung gusto mo even when you are working. Kasi when you work on a corporate world, kadalasan gigising, papasok ka sa office, and then pag uwi, saka mo palang magagawa yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay, ganon. So, ayun, I'm so thankful because I have this whole 24 hours na hindi ganun kabigat, and then, actually, it was fun, hindi siya stressful, ayun lang, and I really want to hindi naman urge. Gusto ko talagang mas dumami pa yung mga tao na maka-experience nung nararanasan ko. The comfort, yung hindi mo na kailangang magbiyahe sa labas, yung makipagsiksikan, makagantay sa traffic. So, ayun, danas na danas ko na din kasi yun. Kasi nagtrabaho din ako. Actually, I have been a working student. And also, ano pa ba? I have been a sales engineer. Ayun, and siguro kung papalarin at makakapag-exam ako ulit is I would also have a time talaga na makakapag-review ako kasi nga hindi ako nag-aalat or wala akong time or wala akong schedule na yung magbabiyahe ka ng malayo para pumunta sa work kasi I have been working from home. So, ayun lang naman, and sana, ayun, if you're interested on applying on Cyberbacker, I will be putting the application form doon sa description box below so you can apply, and also, you can message me on TikTok. It's at Zai. So, ayun lang. And sana kung may mga questions kayo, pwede nyo akong i-ask directly. And for that, thank you so much. And I hope, ayun, makita ko din kayo sa aming Friday meetings someday kay Cyberbacker. So, thank you!